Hi, welcome to your final project. I am hoping to help you a little bit and give you a couple hints for your final project. Your first slide will include your strengths and and especially your strengths in integrating technology. So here on my first slide, I included one of my technology strengths, but the rest are really my teaching strengths. So sorry I couldn't come up with any other technology strengths to share with you. And for all your slides, I'm hoping that you'll do this recording here, a little cameo, and explain your integration and how you did things. So I'm going to do a little example about the mail merge. And maybe that'll be one of the examples that you use for your slideshow, and then you'll also include a couple other ones. So I will leave you here and see you at the next slide. On this slide, I'm going to be demonstrating how I used Access, Excel, and Word to create a mail merge and to send out an invitation to invite donors to a party thanking them. So I was given an Excel spreadsheet with some donors' names and addresses and phone numbers and things like that. And I wanted to use Access to also add their donation amount and a table number that they would be will be sitting at in order to create this mail merge. So from this Excel file, I ended up creating this access table over here. And then from the access table, I went ahead to Word, and I'll backtrack this up a little bit, and created this professional looking letter, right? So now I'm speaking to you as students. Remember, when you're creating all your work, especially for your final project, that it should be extra special and professional looking. Your spacing, your font styles, all those kinds of important things. And from here you can see that how I created the mail merge, and some of the things that I included in the mail merge were the people's addresses, their first name to address them in the letter, the amount of their donation, and the number, the table number that they'll be seated at. So from this database here, I was able to create this merge and put it in order by zip code in order for easy mailing. So I hope this example helps you a little bit, and how I created this part here where it's moving. I also recorded this using PowerPoint, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So I know many of you have taken PowerPoint classes, and I can probably guarantee that you're all better at PowerPoint than I am. I don't know how much of a chance you got to use the different recording features. So that's one thing I'm going to go over with you a little bit. But again, if you already know this information, then you are good to go. So to create this cameo image down here in PowerPoint, I'm on the record tab, and I actually just went and clicked on record. And this is, I can't see this up here. And sorry, you cannot see the top of this screen because I did not select enough. But above me is a red button that says record, and when I click on it, it starts recording in this little cameo area. And then when I was done, I went to, actually, let's see if I can pull this down a little bit. There we go. Okay, so this button would be red. It's not red right now because I've already actually recorded on this slide. So if I wanted to re-record, which I did several times, I'll tell you that it took me probably close to 3 hours just to create all this and this filming here. So it'll take you a little bit to create your project. But here, if I had wanted to retake the recording, I would click on this and I chose current slide. And again, I did that a couple times. And then when I was done, I wasn't ready to export it out. I wanted to go back and add some more slides and check some things. So I just went back to edit and it just took me back to my slideshow. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and file and save as. I'm sorry. You'll do file, more, and export. And you'll export it out. You'll create a video. Okay, so you'll come down here and you'll choose video and you'll create a video when you're done. But so that is how I recorded to get this little cameo thing here. How I recorded this part here is I actually opened up another PowerPoint presentation. So, and let's see if I can find that one. Here it is. So I opened up a new PowerPoint presentation, and again, I chose the record tab, and this time I did screen recording. So I just clicked on screen recording, and once you do that, it allows you to select the part of the screen that you want to record, and I selected my word letter here. And so I decided not to talk. I could have talked, but there was already enough talking in the little cameo. So I just chose this. And then when I was done, I had this slide here. And then I literally just right-clicked here and chose copy. And on my slide here, I pasted it in. So that's how I got this little piece going over here. I hope this helps you. I'm going to leave you some links also for help on using this, but of course, let me know if you need help with any of this recording.